All right, we're rolling out. There's Pops. There he is, heading to Chokoloskee. Got Steve's boat all loaded up. Steve's new truck. He babies it too much.
Ready to go fishing. Let's go. Waiting on you guys, like usual.
Hello.
There's Katie. We are rolling out.
Rolling out soon.
Just waiting. Check back in a little bit. Peace out. Just left the dock. Heading out. This is a canal that most of y'all have seen before. Chokoloskee Bay. Get some sun. Alright, here we go.
Fly up.
Yeah.
I know the call. You ready?
They'll all fly over us and poop all over us.
Yeah.
Right, they will.
I like boat out.
Who's the white nut? Get it.
What kind of bait are you using?
We're just using little jig heads.
Hey, where's those rocks?
That's it. With the shrimp. What we're doing is, I'll show you guys, let you in on what we do down here. Take the shrimp, pinch off the tail, and we hook it on just like that.
Oh, I think that one is.
That's all we do, just like that.
There's baby. Is there something on this?
I don't know, it's just the bottom, because we're drifting. Alright.
Nice.
Trout. It's not legal, but yeah.
Nice.
Little trout. Down here in Chokoloskee.
Nice.
What
is it? What is it?
Crazy, but they're not legal.
What is it? What is it gonna be?
Catfish.
Oh, dumb catfish.
Catfish.
Oh, catfish, Dewey.
You think this is has anything bad in it?
That's the one thing I will say. If you guys come to Chokoloskee, be prepared to catch catfish. There are catfish everywhere down here. You gotta just weed through them, because you will catch fish. Where you at, babe? Out there?
Mhm.
Alright, I'm gonna go right out here.
took a lot. Actually, I had like half a shrimp on there. Should I just cast it out to the bait?
Yeah, I mean, they're not really looking like that. It's a shrimp. They're more of going by smell, you know? Oh! Dang it. I almost got that one. Son of a gun. Did you guys see that?
No, what happened?
Fish got, or I went to get a shrimp and he got off and went right in the water. Because he made some, I don't know. Alright. Every time I cast right here, I get a trout. They gotcha? You want a shrimp?
We ought to stop breaking the shrimp.
Oh, got me off.
These are running low, huh?
I think we got some in there. We'll see. Got one, babe? Nice. What is it? Is it catfish? Oh no, it's a little trout. Oh, cool.
Not too small.
Yeah, don't reel up to the tip, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
You'll break the eye. There's something over there jumping, Dad. You saw that?
Is that too small?
Yeah.
Ah, little buddy.
There it is. Trout. There you go. It's a good one there. What do you think, Pops?
I think we're doing all right. It's just everything.
So that's pretty much all I'm doing is just casting out and jigging it back. And
catfish over here, snapper over here, trout over here.
Dad's got one. Oh, look at that.
What is
That ladyfish?
It's a ladyfish. Oh, Katie's got one too. Oh, you're hammering them. Let's see what she's got really quick.
snapper? Beauty.
What is that?
What is that?
Oh, another trout.
Oh, nice.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
You gotta measure him.
Okay.
You're good.
Ooh, he's a mean little sucker.
There it is. Dad's ladyfish.
Measure that guy. He might be. He has to be 15.
Yeah.
I think he might be a little short. But you can try. And these trout left and right.
Yeah, he's short.
Short, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's been fun catching them.
Yeah, he's about a half an inch short. See ya, buddy. That tide started moving again. Is it raining? Feels like it's raining, doesn't it? You guys mind if I fish, or you guys gonna keep catching fish?
Something jumped over there.
Oh, look at that.
What is that?
I think it's I think it was a mullet.
These fish can't hold up to the Bradleys.
I thought the sun came out, but I guess Steve just took his shirt off.
Why do you let him say that for? How you doing, Ma? Thumbs up? How'd you like those waves out there? No good?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Nina's got one.
Get it, Nina!
Come on,
Snapper!
Lee.
Oh no, she's a big one.
Nice. Woo! Can you get that on camera, babe?
That's alright. Go slow.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh!
That's a big sheep's head.
That is a big sheep's head.
Wow.
Yeah, as soon as you say let's move.
Wow, that's a big one.
I want to get a sheep's head.
Hey, we said we weren't doing that bet, right?
I think the girls are bringing home the bacon.
No, just little snapper or something.
Watch you don't jump off the boat.
What? That is huge.
That's massive. Yeah.
Nina brought us home dinner. We can all eat tonight. So I got this little guy, and I have been having luck with the little guys getting some big fish. So we're going to cast this up here and see what he's going to bring home.
Hey, will you stop?
Will you stop?
Here we go. Here we go.
Nice. Oh, that was a good hit.
I know. And I told you those little guys really look good. Oh, I bet that was the fish. You saw him jump?
Man, he hammered you.
Yeah, I'm going back for him.
Go get him.
It's an all-you-can-eat buffet, but he doesn't know. I'm coming for him.
Know that he's missing.
I'm coming for him.
That on camera. That's
Great.
Oh, my goodness.
Sorry.
Don't worry, I'll buff the boat later.
This is a nice little boat. You got the seat.
Yeah,
Last time I didn't enjoy it because I was sitting on this.
I know. Dad, you're stepping on my pole.
I know.
You know, if you're not gonna abide by the rules, you know, you're not gonna come out here. Serious.
Oh, hey.
Catch that many fish, but wish we could caught more. But what are you gonna do? It's all good.